Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can change your Instagram password. It's pretty easy and it's really straightforward. As long as you're logged into your Instagram account and you know your old password, you can change the password. But if you do not know your old password, then you're going to make something called forgot password, and then Instagram is going to send you an email, and from that email you're going to reset your password. But let's say you remember your password. What you're going to do is you're going to go on Instagram. From Instagram, you're going to go on your profile in the bottom left corner, okay, and at the bottom right corner, my bad, and then you're going to click on the hamburger menu on the top left corner, and then you're going to top right corner. Oh my god, I'm so bad at directions. And you're going to click on settings. Now from settings, you're going to go navigate to security, and from security, it's right in front of your eyes. It is password. You're going to go onto your password, and you're going to put your old password and then your new password twice. After that, you're going to change your password successfully. As you can see, you have also an option. If you forgot your password, you can reset it with Facebook. This is also an option that you can have to do. So this is basically how you can change your password, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you.